I saw a video about Alkaline not being common.
Like the man no enough and not common, him keep to himself.
Here's the thing, while I respect the Urban Reporter's admiration for Alkaline Mystique, we have to dissect this one with logics. She's basically mixing two unrelated ideas, being a real man and being an artist with little fan engagement. Fans never saw Vybz Kartel for 13 years and it worked in Vybz Kartel favor. Fans not seeing Alkaline is not working in Alkaline favor, obviously. So privacy is important, yes, but Alkaline's detachment goes beyond privacy. It's a lack of connection with the very people who built his career, his fans. Now, let's be real. These same people who love this about Alkaline can't say they feel connected to their favorite artist. At the end of the day, he is not your friend that you can pick up the phone and call. No, fans don't need to know a celebrity or an artist's personal life, but they need music, they need performance, they need that interaction to feel that connection. Now, when Alkaline first came on the scene, he had everything. Hits after hits, hit song after hit song, interviews, shows, and a strong presence. The Vendetta boss was present. Now, most of these fans are surviving off the attention Alkaline basically gave them years ago. The real story is this. For a 31-year-old artist, Alkaline has burned out too fast musically, right? Dancehall, we know dancehall is a genre that thrives off presence and relevance and consistency. All these things, you can't be a ghost and expect to quote unquote run the place. Even artists like Beyonce maintain privacy while staying connected with her core audience, the Beehive. So being an artist is about balance. Mystique is fine, you know, you're off the radar, you're off the scene, right? Like Pablo YG say, you're off the radar, but music is the lifeline. So without it, fans are left chasing memories. That's what Vendetta fans are chasing right now, memories. When Alkaline used to be on the scene and Alkaline, they used to feel connected, right? So that's my take on the whole thing. Big up Alkaline.